Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the day 8 of calligraphy. So, today we'll be learning group 5 letters, and this includes N, M, S, R, V, W, and X. So, for M, start from up like this with a small curve, small thin curve, go down with a thick line, then again take up with a small thin curve, come down with a thick line and turn with a small thin curve. So start like this, come down with a thick line, again go up with a thin curve and come down with a thick line. So the next letter is M. M is same as N. First write N, starting like this with a thin curve, come down with a thick line, again a thin curve, thick line, and again repeat a thin curve with a thick line. So same. So the next is letter S. So start it from the center of this box with a up stroke with a thin line. Make a curve like this with a thick line. Go up with a thin curve. So start it from here like this with a thin line. Go up, come down with a thick curve, and again go up with a thin curve like this. So next letter is R. So start it from the corner of this box, the center of this box. Go up with a thin line. Make a turn like this, small round. Then make a thin curve like this and come down with a thick line like this. Start it with a thin line. Make a round, again a thin line. Come down with a thick stroke. So the next is V. Start it from here with a small thin curve. Come down with a thick line and go up with a thin curve. So next is W. Start it from this line with a thick curve, go up with a thin curve, again come down with a thick curve, and again make a thin curve like this. So the last letter for today is X. So start it from the center of this box with a small curve, go down with a thick stroke, make a small curve like this, and from here start it like this with a thin curve. So this one is thick and the upstroke is thin. So this was all for your day. I'll be sending a snapshot of this work. Repeat the work for 5 times on 5 lines. So thank you.